Hello everybody. If you are beginner, if you want to learn English from the zero level, then this video is for you because in this video I will speak English very slowly so that you can understand me very easily. Okay, so you can repeat after me. If you want to improve your speaking skill, then you have to speak must. Don't be shy or don't feel hesitation. You can remove your shyness or you can remove your hesitation by practicing. You can practice in front of mirror. You can practice or you can make videos like me. You can just open your camera and you can try to say something in front of camera, and after that you can record your voice, you can record yourself, and then you can listen it, you can watch your video, and you will be able to find out some mistakes. Making mistakes, it's a part of learning. So don't worry about your mistakes. Never get upset about your mistakes. Making mistakes, it's the learning part. Everyone makes mistakes from the beginning time. Even I make mistakes. Okay, and you will be glad to know that even who is native speakers sometimes make mistakes. So yeah, don't worry about it. Keep practicing, keep trying to say something in front of your camera and then record it. This is the way. You can speak anything, you can talk anything, whatever you like. You can talk about your hobby, you can talk about your favorite sport, or you can talk about your family. But you have to talk, you have to speak, you have to speak out. You can choose like me, I choose always this kind of place. Just look around me. There is no one is here, so that I can speak here very loudly and clearly. So it's morning time and I make English videos in the morning time. Yeah, so that's the tricks and tips for you, and it's totally free. Thank you for watching my videos, and keep watching, keep practicing, and you can try today make a video. Thank you and goodbye. Have a nice day.